Welcome to day 4 of No Falls Week 2025. I'm Chris James, Technical Specialist for Height Safety here at Spancer UK. We manufacture height safety equipment as well as carrying out formal inspections of customers' equipment. Putting together a really nice solution to a problem is very satisfying. You know you made a difference. Day 1, equipment is shiny and new, but to work effectively it needs to be in the right condition when you need it. And making sure equipment has been inspected is the way to make sure that this is the case. Today, I'm going to pass you over to Neil Pinder to remind us all of the reasons why these inspections are important.
I think that we, as a rigger, you're going up there to do a job. You've got to do that job, that's what's paying your wage. What you want to do is you actually just want to make sure that equipment works. And yes, you do think about it, but really what you're thinking about is a job in hand. So you can't really have time to think about, is this equipment going to work? The equipment's going to work, that's because we've inspected it prior to use. As an inspector, what you really must think about is where that equipment is going to be used, but also how it's being used. Is it being abused? Is it being integrated with other pieces of equipment which may not actually be suitable with that job? Making sure that your inspector knows where this piece of equipment is going to be used, I think is very important. It is a life-saving piece of equipment, and they really do need to understand the importance of where that equipment is going, and that you only get one chance at this. As a manager, I think that's also very important. You know, you're managing this piece of equipment, so I think managers out there need to understand that you've got to get these statutory inspections done every 6 months, or even sooner if it means you've got to have it sooner. There's nothing wrong with that whatsoever. But it must come down to the pre-use inspection as well. The pre-use inspection is going to be very important. Don't forget, you're the guys that are going to be using it. It's your life. You want to go home at the end of the day. Doing that pre-use inspection is really important. You won't go through an MOT on a car and expect never to look at it ever again. Your tyres wear out between the inspections or the MOTs, and that's the same with your kit. Get it inspected. Pre-use inspections, really important.